Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Recently, wood lamps are no longer considered something too extravagant. Now, this is a completely familiar interior detail that is in a great demand among buyers. Such popularity is explained by the fact that wooden lamps, especially hand-carved ones, are able to create a unique warm atmosphere in the interior of home rooms, as well as in offices and public institutions such as cafes, restaurants, museums, and libraries. The main advantages of wooden lamps are natural material, ease of installation and operation, as well as aesthetic effect. In addition, during the production process, such products are coated with special solutions that can prevent deformation of the wood structure and the appearance of harmful insects. Let's consider in more detail the pros and cons of using wood as the main raw material for the manufacture of lamps. Pros: environmental safety. The tree does not contain synthetic impurities that can be hazardous to human health. During processing with wood, a minimum of modification occurs. When heated, the tree releases a number of substances useful for the human body. It has a particularly positive effect on patients suffering from chronic respiratory diseases. Therefore, we can safely say that wood has a healing effect, especially when it comes to conifers. You can create a product of any shape from wood. Any design idea will be embodied in the skillful hands of the master. A wide range of applications. Wood luminaries are suitable for use in almost all types of interiors. They can have a wide variety of shapes: round, square, in the form of a bar, etc., and fit into all styles. Aesthetic effect. The lighting fixture made of wood always looks soundly and elegantly. Wood looks harmoniously next to objects made from other materials, such as plastic, glass, or metal. Embedded design elements will not create a feeling of clutter, but, on the contrary, will beneficially hold together the entire design structure. Minuses: low level of fire safety. The wood ignites easily and the fire spreads rapidly. This is why wooden lamps cannot be placed in those rooms where open flames sources are located: fireplaces, gas stoves, etc. Favorable environment for insects. Indeed, wood is a very attractive material for termites and other small pests. High sensitivity of other material to sudden temperature changes and fluctuations on the level of humidity in the environment. Therefore, it is highly undesirable to install wooden lamps in the kitchen or bathroom. To avoid the occurrence of various dangerous situations, when using wooden lighting fixtures, it is necessary to follow a number of simple rules. Install the appliance at a safe distance from the sources of open fire. The ideal place in the house to place a wooden lamp is in rooms with an optimal level of humidity and temperature. Do not install incandescent lamps in wood lighting fixtures. They can heat up to a critical temperature for such lamps, which can provoke a fire. For such products, fluorescent elegant LED lamps are ideal. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.